If you're wondering how to build an Amazon store using JungleScout, this guide will show you exactly how to leverage the software to find profitable products, suppliers, and optimize your store for maximum success. Stay tuned to the end because I'll also share how you can try JungleScout for free with an exclusive bonus that could save you time and money as you set up your Amazon store. JungleScout is a powerful tool that simplifies the entire process of setting up and running an Amazon store. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in the game for a while, it helps you research products, track competitors, and even find trusted suppliers, all from one platform. In this quick guide, we'll focus on how you can use JungleScout to find winning products and suppliers to get your Amazon store off the ground. First things first, you need to know how to find the right product to sell. JungleScout's product database is the best place to start. You can filter by sales rank, price, and reviews to narrow down the most profitable products within your niche. The key is to find products with high demand but low competition, which JungleScout helps you identify with its easy-to-use filters. Once you've found a potential product, use the product tracker. This feature lets you monitor product performance in real time. It tracks sales, reviews, and inventory levels for any product you choose. This data is invaluable in helping you decide if it's worth investing in or if you should move on to something else. Another huge benefit of JungleScout is its supplier database. Finding a reliable supplier is essential to building a successful Amazon store. JungleScout's supplier database lets you search through thousands of vetted suppliers. You can see their performance history, which helps you identify suppliers who can meet your needs in terms of quality and reliability. Trust me, this is a game changer when it comes to avoiding shipping delays and inventory issues. Now, JungleScout doesn't just help with research, it also helps with your store's optimization. Use the Keyword Scout tool to find high traffic keywords related to your product. By optimizing your listings with the right keywords, you'll improve your visibility and boost your chances of making sales. Finally, let's talk about scaling your store. Once your store is set up and you've got your first product selling, JungleScout provides tools like the Sales Analytics tool to help you track your performance. It gives you insights into your sales, profits, and overall growth. This kind of data is essential for making informed decisions as you scale. Remember, this isn't just a one-time tool. JungleScout will continue to provide value as you grow your store, helping you optimize listings, find more products, and even track your competitors. It's an all-in-one solution that allows you to focus more on growing your business and less on the technical side. If you're ready to start building your own Amazon store and want to take full advantage of JungleScout's capabilities, you can use the software completely free through the link below. And not only that, you'll also get exclusive bonuses that'll help you make the most out of your trial. So to recap, JungleScout is a must-have tool for anyone serious about selling on Amazon. From product research to supplier discovery and optimization, it gives you everything you need to succeed. Don't forget, click the first link below to get started with JungleScout for free and access exclusive bonuses to supercharge your Amazon business.